my channel Jashan Art. I am Jashan and I am back with all my energy and all my vibrance on this channel to post long videos. It's been about 1 month since I have posted long videos on this channel, but I was posting shorts every day and I hope you all are enjoying those shorts. If you have not watched those yet, then go and watch those shorts. I have painted a lot of things in those. So guys, today I'm going to paint this pretty lady using acrylics on canvas. So let's start with this video. I'm too excited to be back on this channel. Okay, and these are the shades that I'm going to use today. So let's start. If you guys watch me regularly, you must know that I always start painting from the background, and as usual, I am starting with the background. I am going to paint few clouds and mountains in the background. Today I am attempting a portrait painting with low viewpoint, like if I am sitting on a stone in front of her and she is standing in her joy proudly in front of me. I am applying very thick layers of paint. I am painting few mountains covered in clouds on the top, and I am applying very thick layers of paint here, and I am painting so many layers of clouds with different shades like yellow, white and orange and a little bit of blue in it. I am painting everything in a messy way. After painting mountains on the top, I am going to paint all the other part of background with blue shade only, with a little bit of white in it, because she is standing in water, so everywhere I want blue shade around her. Using dry brush, I am blending all the colors and painting few more clouds in the sky. And now I am going to just fill all the basic shades in her body, like simple skin shade everywhere and green color in her scarf, and I am going to blend all these shades using dry brush. I am just filling all these shades as first layer in this painting. This is not the final thing. I am going to add details in the second and third layer in this painting. Oh, I just did blunder here. I forgot to press the record button. Shit. I painted for about 1.5 hours and then I realized I have not started the recording. I don't know how I forgot this. When I realized this, it was too late. I was almost done with the face. This happens to me most of the times because no one is there to help me in recording and editing my videos. No one is there on the other side of my camera. I am the only person who do the painting and then go on the other side and see if it is recorded or not. It is complete blunder. I don't know what to do, but it's okay. Sometimes things don't work as we want them to work, but it's okay. It's just part of life. Let's move on. Now let me provide details to her hair. I think I need some changes here, so I need to paint with blue here, and then I'm going to paint her hair. After her face, now I am going to paint her body, and now I am going to record everything carefully because I am not going to afford any kind of mistakes in this video anymore. For the light portions, I am using mix up of white and lemon yellow, and for shadow on her skin, I am using mix up of 3 shades which are red and green and a little bit of burnt sienna in it, which is mix up of these two already. And sometime I use a little bit of orange where I need to blend these dark shades with the lighter tones of skin, like with the white and yellow. So these things work. We need to work carefully with these kind of skin shades. You know, when I paint, I totally forget about time and place and what I'm doing, and gets transported to somewhere in complete blank space where nothing is there. It's only peace, like total silence, and nothing is there. Like, I don't know. There is no me, there is nothing, there are no thoughts, nothing is there. It is the total peace. I am really fond of that thing. Like, it's just amazing. Like, I feel amazing when I wake up from this kind of thing. Like, I feel complete change in my attitude. I feel so much calm than before. I don't even have words to express what I feel that time. That's completely different thing from this world. It usually takes me a few layers to complete my artworks, and there is no specific number of these layers. I just enjoy my work and keep on going until I get the desired results. In this part of painting, her chest and her waist must look so graceful, guys. Sometimes I think that God has made so many good things, but nothing is more attractive than humans, and especially women. We women are really, really, really the best creation of God, and I admit it. And I am feeling so proud and lucky now that I am able to replicate God's creations through my paintings, and I am adding little bit to the beauty of this thing, to the beauty of to this world, and adding my share to the creativity of this universe. I don't know if I am a part of it or nothing. Like, to what extent I am affecting the universe, I really want to know this. Okay, I am not going to be more philosophical here. So I think I am doing justice with this painting. Now I am going to paint her hand using same shades. These shades are again white, lemon yellow, mix up of orange and white, and also I am going to use green and burnt sienna here. After painting her hand, I painted her scarf with basic shades of green, blue and black, and I blended all these shades using dry brush. After blending all the shades well, I painted a beautiful design on her scarf using black, orange and yellow and white shades. This design is just random design, guys. Nothing is here to measure or to observe in it. It's just a random design, random curves, and I just enjoyed drawing this, so I just did it. I did few mistakes while recording this video today, and I did few mistakes in this painting too, because I am painting after 1 month because I was not well and I was not having time due to my job. But after all these ups and downs, I am done with this painting, and let me sign my painting. I am so proud of me today that I am able to complete this artwork. So guys, after 6 long hours, this painting is now ready. I hope you like it. If you do, then press the like button, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. And if you want to watch more art videos from my side, then press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. You will get notifications for all my new videos, and you are going to enjoy so many art videos with amazing concepts. I'll meet you there. Till then, bye bye, take care, you are amazing. Thank you so much for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.